Wow, it is week 5. It is really hard for me to believe that it's already been 5 weeks. I look forward to hopefully seeing some of you next week, and then maybe the next week, the rest of you. I know some of you have selected to stay remote, which is absolutely fine. We will be working and continuing through Canvas. Those of you that are planning to come back, we will work in the classroom and on Canvas. And I look forward again to seeing everybody, as I said a while ago. Last week, I know I told you it was going to be a lot of hodgepodge, a lot of different little lessons, and then it was going to all come full circle back to geometry. So this week, we're going to take the ratios, the proportions, and the equations and solve for similar figures to find out what is missing, a missing side or a missing part of different polygons. So I hope you enjoy the geometry stuff as much as I do, and I hope you have a great week.